take a quick tour of the Lagoon 450 on display at the Miami International Boat Show 2012. There's the two swim ladders, or step-down swim platforms. Stepping aboard. Big wide walkways. Walking on this top of the port side. I'll do a deck view and a bridge view, and then I'll do an interior after this. Very large deck. This is a fly bridge model. That's the way they do it in the 450. This boat is sold, and they sold 3 of these during the show. 3 450 sold to 3 different individuals. Got Lori up working on the foredeck. There you go. You'll be on YouTube. There's the seating area forward. There's your anchor, your windlass. Really nice. Again, large bridge. Let's walk back down the starboard side. There's no difference really. It's a big storage lockers. 560's parked next to us. And back down again. Stepping up onto the bridge. Engine controls. All lines are led aft. All the winches are electric. Making them all electric makes this boat very simple to single in. Spot there to put a cushion. Let's put railings for it. We're going to put a sun pad. There's a hatch here which allows ventilation down into the cockpit area. Step back down the stairs, and then you'll see the big seating and lounging area. Cockpit, which gives you lots of space for lounging. Again, this is the exterior of the 2012 Lagoon 450. For more information, you can go to our website, sealakeyachts.com, or give us a call at 281-334-1993. We'll be happy to help you.